Which air horn is actually good for your truck? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the best options. Today, we're breaking down 5 top choices that can really make a difference on the road. Product number 1, Blau Grun 300dB train horns. First up is the Blau Grun 2 PCS 300dB super loud train horns. Priced at just $11.69, this product caught my attention because it's labeled as a bestseller with over 3,600 reviews. If you want a loud horn that keeps you safe behind the wheel, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this horn stands out. It boasts a whopping 300 dB sound level, which means you can alert others effectively, making it safer for you during driving. The internal design helps it produce a clear sound, cutting through noise easily. Made from high-quality ABS material, it's durable and can endure different weather conditions, which matters for those of us who drive in various climates. Plus, it fits universal vehicles from cars to trucks and is easy to install since it just requires a 12V power source. With over 900 sold in the past month, it's clear that many people trust this product. Now, some users mention that installation can be tricky due to the lack of detailed instructions. Here's the thing, though, if you're handy or willing to watch a quick tutorial online, it's a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and loud horn that gets the job done. Skip this one if you're looking for something more sophisticated or with more features. For the price, it's definitely a solid choice. Alright, if the installation issue bothered you, the next option might actually be better suited for you. Product number 2, GMRO 150dB chrome horn. Next up, we have the GMRO 12V 150dB car air horn, priced at $28.99. What caught my eye here is the chrome finish and the high rating of 4.4 stars from over 4,700 reviews. If you want a reliable horn with a powerful sound, this one is a must-see. The chrome-plated zinc construction not only looks good but also ensures durability, as it won't rust over time. The all-copper air compressor reaches 5,000 RPM, providing a quick response so you're not left waiting for the horn to sound when you need it. With a universal fit for any 12V vehicle, it's a great choice for trucks, SUVs, and even boats. The instructions for installation are included, which is a nice touch that can save you time. However, some buyers have pointed out that the compressor can be a bit noisy during operation. While it's not a deal breaker for many, if you're sensitive to noise, it might be something to consider. This is ideal for you if you want something loud and easy to install. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter compressor. The quality and sound make it worth the investment. Now, if you like the sound but want something a little more powerful, let's look at the next product. Product number 3, HK Dual Trumpet Air Horn. Moving on, we've got the HK 150dB Super Loud Dual Trumpet Air Horn Kit, retailing for $27.99. With a solid rating of 4.2 stars from 2,600 reviews, this horn definitely deserves your attention. If you need a loud horn that performs well in all weather, this one is worth considering. The upgraded air compressor has a larger coil, which gives you stronger air pressure and enhances the sound quality. It also fits any 12V vehicle, making it suitable for trucks, buses, and motorcycles. Plus, with gear included for easy installation, you won't have to worry about purchasing anything extra. On the downside, some users have reported that it can be a bit bulky when installed on smaller vehicles. Here's the thing though, if you're using it on a truck or larger vehicle, it shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and powerful horn that fits most vehicles. Skip this if you need something compact for a smaller car. For the price, you're getting a great product that's built to last. Now, if you're looking for something even louder, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, CFKA Train Horn Kit. Next, let's check out the CFKA Air Train Horn Kit, priced at $23.65. With a rating of 4 stars from nearly 1,900 users, it's another great option to consider. If you want power without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. This horn also produces a loud 150 dB sound, which is perfect for alerting others on the road. It's designed to withstand harsh conditions thanks to its chrome-plated zinc trumpet and all-copper coil, ensuring durability. The installation is straightforward, even for beginners, as it fits any 12V system vehicle including trucks and boats. Users appreciate the long-lasting performance of this horn, making it a reliable choice. However, some complaints have come in about it not being as loud as advertised in specific conditions. But I'll be real with you, for everyday driving, it still does the job effectively. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a loud, dependable horn. Skip this if you're looking for something with unique features or design. It's a great value for what you get. Now, if you want something specifically designed for marine use, let's take a look at the final product. Product number 5, C-Sense Marine Air Horn. Finally, we have the C-Sense Air Horn priced at $17.53. This one stands out with a strong rating of 4.4 stars from 6,000 reviews. If you're looking for a marine air horn that's portable and reliable, this might just be what you need. The C-Sense Air Horn is designed for use on watercraft, but it's also great for land use during events. It has a 1-mile range, making it perfect for signaling in various situations. The push-button design is user-friendly, and its compact size makes it easy to carry around. It adheres to EPA and USCG standards, offering peace of mind for safety compliance. However, a few users mentioned that it might not be loud enough for larger vessels. But honestly, for smaller boats or personal use, it's more than adequate. This is ideal for you if you want something compact and portable for marine use. Skip this if you need a horn strictly for a truck or a larger vehicle. It's a solid option for the price, especially for boaters. To wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 great air horns for trucks. The Blau Grun for budget buyers, the GMRO for a powerful chrome option, the HK for reliable performance, the CFKA for budget-conscious drivers, and the C-Sense for marine enthusiasts. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what matters most to you before making your choice.